Hi everybody. So this week we're going to focus on prefixes for grammar, and we're going to read a book in just a minute that is going to talk about all kinds of prefixes. So I want to start by telling you what a prefix is. A prefix is a group of letters that go in front of a word to change the meaning of a word. So I want to take a look at the word happy. And we all know what happy means. This word can be changed into something that means the opposite of happy by using a prefix. So think about when you're playing games and you're having fun and mom says, oh, it's time to go to bed. And all of a sudden you were happy and then you become unhappy. So this group of letters, is a prefix. It changes the meaning of the word happy to not happy. So we're going to learn more about prefixes with this story. And as I read, I want you to be listening for words that you know and that you've heard before or maybe you've used before. Okay, so a prefix is a word part added to the beginning of a root to change its meaning. Prefixes are word parts that we add onto a word. They're right at the beginning, just like pregame or unheard. These word parts change the meaning of the word to which they're added. Examples might be underclothes, revisit, or unpadded. The root words are the main words, as in padded, visit, clothes. The prefixes are letters that we can see in front of those. Several prefixes will help to show an antonym. Im and un and non and ill and dis are some of them. These prefixes show opposites like disagree, unwell, impossible, illogical, defrost, untie, misspell. Anti means against, like anti-theft or anti-freeze. The first part means opposing. Are you catching on to these? Other times a prefix serves to give a number clue, like by before a root word, which hints to us there's two. Binoculars have two glass lenses, bicycles two wheels. Bilingual folks two languages to tell us how they feel. Pre before a root word will most often mean before, like preheat and prepayment, preschool, and many more. Re as a prefix often means to do again, as in retype, recalculate, repaint, rebuild, resend. Multi is a prefix too. It means the same as many, like multicolor and multiplex. Can you come up with any? Trans will sometimes mean across. It often hints at movement. He transferred to a transatlantic school and showed improvement. Knowing lots of prefixes can help you decode so many words it might just cause your brain to overload. So what is a prefix? Do you know? And here is a big list of prefixes. This book is assigned to you in Epic. So if you would like to look more at these prefixes and what they mean and some examples, you can. What I want you to do now is watch the little YouTube video with the song about prefixes, and then I have a word wall game for you to practice using prefixes and identifying words with prefixes. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day.